Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into today's video to the weekend forecast today, having a detailed look at the weather next 7 days across the British Isles. I think I have a lot of dry and fairly warm weather down across the south and the southeast country. It'll always be more unsettled up in the north and the northwest, and cooler up there as well. So very much as we've had it through the summer, really, with the north getting by far the worst of the weather, and the south having a pretty decent time of it, to be honest. It's been a very unfair summer generally, although it has been cooler and more unsettled in the south just over recent days. But generally it's been quite an unfair summer, with the south tending to be having a very decent summer in the north not very good at all, and that's going to continue, unfortunately, for those of you in the north for the coming week. Before I get on with that, just too quick to say about the ads. There's links to articles on our pages at gadgetservice.com. Have a browse through widgets, any articles that you're interested in, please click through your article and read the article. Thanks so much for doing that. There's video ads on most pages. They open out within the content, and when you've watched them, they'll close back up again. Thanks very much for getting involved, and thanks for doing that. And just to say, the websites using for the weekend forecasting from weatheroutlook.com and weathercentral.de. You can find the links to both of those websites on the links page. So let's start off with the radar pitch. We've got two areas of rain, really. We've got some heavy rain across western Scotland, come down to Northern Ireland, some rumbles of thunder mixed in with that, some quite heavy bursts of showery rain up in the northwest. And then around parts of northwest England and North Wales, we've also got some showery bursts of rain, and those will push southwards and eastwards across the rest of England and Wales through this afternoon, particularly I think through the Midlands, Wales and Lincolnshire. Generally on the light side, but there could be a few heavier showers mixed in as well. But the really heavy rain, I think, is going to be across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of today. Here's the synoptic pressure chart today. Got low pressure up to the north of Scotland and a bit of a ridge down to the south. So generally quite a lot of cloud across England and Wales, with those showery bursts of rain coming through northwest England, North Wales into the rest of Wales, the Midlands and Lincolnshire, possibly East Anglia as well. Many southern and southeastern areas will probably stay mainly dry, albeit with a fair amount of cloud. And then sort of more active area of rain across western Scotland, Northern Ireland, as we see, will push across the rest of Scotland, I think, through the course of this afternoon. There could be some rumbles of thunder in there. Temperatures, despite all of the cloud and showery burst rain, actually it's a warmer feeling day compared to what we've had recently, and temperatures around London could reach 23. That's 73 in Fahrenheit, so feeling a little bit warmer than we've had it. Any showery bursts of rain very quickly die out tonight as this ridge builds just to the east of the country, so most places will have a dry night with a mix of clear spells and variable cloud. Eventually this area's low pressure to the west of Ireland will spread some cloud and heavy rain into southern and western parts of the Republic of Ireland. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer than we've had over recent nights, so holding up in double digits for many places. I mean, it's not going to be a warm night, so you don't have to worry about it being steamy or anything like that, but temperatures should hold up closer to what you would expect on a midsummer night. As we go through into Sunday, we're bringing up a southerly flow across the country. Got this area of low pressure stalling to the west of Ireland and a bit of a ridge building to the east. So the area is being dragged up from France. It's going to be a warmer feeling day down in the south, with temperatures in the southeast possibly going to 26 degrees. That's 79 Fahrenheit. Much of England and Wales will have a dry day with good sunny spells, but it will be cloudy across Scotland with some patchy rain coming and going, maybe for northwest parts of England too. But the heavier rain, with quite strong winds as well, perhaps reaching gale force, will be across Ireland and eventually the far west of Scotland. So some quite heavy rain there, but elsewhere a lot of dry weather through the course of Sunday. Temperatures the same, the southeast up to 26 degrees, 79 Fahrenheit, and generally be a warmer day for all parts of the country, even Scotland going up into sort of the high teens for the first time in ages. As we move through into Monday, that heat in the east is being pushed away, so it really is a very brief affair, but even so, temperatures in the east could still be going up to around 26, 27 degrees perhaps on Monday afternoon. That's around 80 Fahrenheit, but there will be a band of cloud and showers, not really amounting to too much, but a band of cloud and showers spreading across the country through the course of the day, introducing cooler and fresher air. Notice tightly packed isobars here through Ireland, coming to West Scotland. It's going to be quite windy there, excuse me, and certainly feeling cooler and fresher out in the west, but say in the east it will still be relatively warm until late on in the day. Any warmth will be pushed away overnight Monday into Tuesday, so Tuesday will be a cooler, fresher feeling day. North-south split really, got low pressure up to the northwest of Scotland to the ridge close to the south. So much of England and Wales will again have a dry day with sunny spells coming through, whereas Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwestern parts of North Wales will be at risk of heavy showers, and some of those could be band together, perhaps to give a longer spell of rain. Temperatures in the south will still be relatively warm, around 22 or 23, but feeling fresher. And in the north, we're going to be down just into the mid-teens Celsius, I think, with that strong wind and the showers coming through. We get into Wednesday and see things are shifting around into the south again. So a bit of a ridge building once more across central parts of Europe. These low pressures becoming penned in out to the west. We're having a go at dragging up some more hot air from the south. So Wednesday again, a very quiet day for much of England and Wales, but there'll be cloud and rain across Ireland, and that will spread gradually and erratically across northern western parts of the country through the day. So Scotland, northern England, perhaps parts of Wales, even southwest England could turn cloudy and damp through the course of the day, with some quite heavy rain perhaps on the western slopes of high ground. But through the Midlands, Lincolnshire, East Anglia, South East England, a lot of dry weather with sunny spells, perhaps turning more cloudy as the day wears on. Temperatures feeling a little bit humid down in the southeast, with temperatures maybe going up to 25 degrees around London. Again, cooler and fresher with the cloud and rain in the west. And then, as I say, dragging up some hotter air from the south again through Thursday. So eastern parts of the country could have a very warm, if not perhaps a hot day. Wouldn't be that surprised to see temperatures topping out somewhere around 30 degrees perhaps across eastern England on Thursday afternoon. 30 degrees is 86 Fahrenheit, be the hottest temperatures that we've had since early July. But again, we'll have cloud and showery rain in the north and west, so Scotland, Ireland, northwest England, you miss out once again. Very unfair summer, this one, and the cloud and rain will very gradually spread across the country. Maybe as it reaches that heat in the east, it might even turn a little bit thundery on Thursday night down in the southeast. We'll have to watch out for that. So temperatures in the north and the west just around 20 degrees, 68 Fahrenheit. I say in the east we may get up to 30, that's 86. We'll be in a cooler, fresher feeling weather pattern by the time we go through to Friday. There is some uncertainty about the end of the week, but I think Friday generally sees cooler, fresher air pushing back across the country. Showers in the north, mainly dry weather in the south, and then that could lead us into a deterioration for next weekend as this area of low pressure swings in, perhaps bringing cloud and quite heavy rain across all parts of the country. It's a long way off though, so it is subject to change. Finally, having a look at the charts from the weather outlook, so we can see weather in your area through the course of this week. Here's the showery rain across the north and the west through the course of the day, gradually moving southwards and eastwards. A lot of dry weather across the country through Sunday, and a warmer feeling day as well, although the northwest of Scotland and Ireland will be wet and windy. As we go through into Monday, very warm day in the east, but a band of cloud and showers will be spreading in from the west, introducing a cooler and fresher feel. But we could have pretty hot temperatures in the east on Monday afternoon before those cloud and those showers arrive. A fresher day as we go through into Tuesday, with showers in the north and mainly dry weather down in the south. Get through to Wednesday, again a lot of dry weather in the south and the east, but showery rain always tending to be in the north and the west. Thursday could be the peak of the temperatures in the east, outside chance of 30 degrees, 86 Fahrenheit, but there will be this band of cloud and showers spreading across the country through the day, introducing again cooler and fresher air from the north and the west. There is the outside chance that those showers could turn thundery on Thursday night as they engage sort of the hot air down in the southeast, and then a cooler, fresher feeling day for Friday with showers in the north and mainly dry weather down in the south. So the pattern that we have through most of the summer, albeit it changed a bit through the end of July when all places turned unsettled, but through most of the summer we've had a pattern of mainly warm and dry in the south and the east, and pretty dismal in the north and west, and I'm afraid that looks like continuing through the coming week. If you live in the north and west, you're going to have a pretty disappointing week with cloud and rain coming and going and quite cool temperatures as well. Whereas the south and the east, again, hogging all of the dry, warm and sunny weather, will potentially turn very warm, if not hot, just for one day in the southeast on Thursday. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.